The Browse window enables you to view the Bible in two ways: in multiple version mode and in single version browse mode. By default, the program displays in multiple version mode. It enables you to view many translations of the same verse at the same time. The single version browse mode enables you to scroll through the entire text of your search version. To switch between the two modes, select View on the main menu, then choose Toggle Browse Mode. To return back to multiple version mode, you can click on View and Toggle Browse Mode again. There are three other ways to toggle the browse mode. Click on the Toggle Browse Mode button found in the Browse window header. Or click within the Browse window and type B on your keyboard. B is a Browse window keyboard shortcut. Also, you can double-click on the Browse button on the status bar. There may be times when you wish to read a verse in multiple versions, but still be able to read the larger context of the verse. The Browse tab in the Analysis window is helpful for this. Click on the Browse tab, and you'll be able to view a verse in its context without adjusting the browse mode of the Browse window. The current verse you are studying in the Browse window is highlighted in blue, and by default displays in a single version browse mode.